Let's do the task 3 of the Android routing attack. So in the previous attacks, we have successfully building the OTA package, um, but for the first two steps, our OTA package and the commands are decided before the app is run, before the Android is or OS is run. However, the reason for user to root their device is because they can exact they can execute any command during the runtime in the Android OS. So in the task 3, we will do this attack. So the main idea of this attack uh, we will talking about later. Um, but here in the screen, you can see we downloaded the two MyDaemon.su app, MyDaemon.su folder, and also my SU folder. In here, MyDaemon.su folder, in order for us to run, we need to add new at the end of this char pointer, environment pointer. The reason is for the pointer, if we have not give it a null, let them know how to when will be end, it will keep reading the the memory after this part if the memory contains some informations. Now we rebuild this file. So here, let's talking about how is this task 3 is working. We have we actually will build a daemon process before the Android OS start. So the daemon will always running over there, and we will create a thread when we was running, and we ask the daemon to give us uh, the file input, file output, and the stand input, stand output, and stand arrow port that it can be connected into our client thread. When those ports are being connected, the client's inside out int out arrow port will be exactly like the root in out and arrow port. Then for the client, we will have the root privilege. So we can see we have built the my daemon and my SU from the simple SU that this task has provided with us. So now my SU and my daemon can be run by Android using NDK, and now it can be run by the Android Recover OS. What we need to do now is to write some upgrade script to let my daemon process is running before the system actually start, Android OS actually start, before the return 0. So the daemon will be waiting for the signal that we send outside of the Android OS, and then we will put the my SU file into our system. So when we call my SU, it will connect with my daemon and perform in out arrow port mapping to our child process, to our client process. So now we can see, now what we are doing here is we copied my daemon and also my SU file to the OTA package I just created. This is actually quicker since I don't have to keep looking for the paths of those folders. Like we did before, we need to give the update binary a roundable permission. And now we have to go into change the update binary file. Like I said before, we need to copy both my SU and my daemon to the position, and we need my daemon running before the return 0, so there will be a daemon process that waiting for our command outside of the Android OS. When everything is ready, we zip our OTA package and send to the Android Recover OS. From the path, we can see everything is created correctly. Let's restart the Android. So make sure it goes to the OS, Android Recover OS. Oops. Okay, now we can log into the as a root. Make sure again that the IP address is correct. We can see that the task3 OTA is being successfully copied to the temp. And let's run the upgrade binary we just wrote. Okay, the updated binary is rounded. Let's restart the Android. Now actually the daemon process is running. It's running already. It is outside of the Android OS. Now we go to the terminal. We go to my when we found my SU, it should be under the system. Oh, first we can see that I'm just a normal user. We can see my SU file is located in the correct position. Now we call my SU. My SU will call in my daemon outside. And we can see that we have the full control. You can see my name has been changed to root. Who am I? I'm root user, and now since I have the root users in, out, and arrow port, now we can using some we can check that the PID or the process ID and the port that I'm using right now to prove that I'm the root user. So actually till this time, the task 3 is complete. We have the root permission of in the Android OS.